Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and installing the app. Do this now. Make sure location and notifications are enabled so alerts arrive in real time. Once done, open the app and allow background refresh so monitoring continues when the screen is off. Sign in if you want saved settings and push personalization. Otherwise, use guest mode to proceed faster. You're now ready to begin initial configuration and set your alert preferences in the next step. Next, configure how the app notifies you and why those settings matter. Choose a magnitude threshold that balances noise versus relevance. Lower values give more alerts, higher values reduce false alarms. Set your alert radius to cover your home, work, and commute routes. Once you set sound, vibration, and critical interruptions, the app can override Do Not Disturb when necessary. Make sure to save changes and test a sample alert so you finish by running a built-in test alert and confirming you receive sound, vibration, and on-screen banners. If you don't get the test, check permissions first: location, notifications, and background activity. Next, verify battery optimization or power saver isn't blocking the app. Exempt the app if needed. Also confirm cellular or Wi-Fi is active. If problems persist, reset the app settings and then reinstall as a last resort. This sequence fixes most issues, so alerts work when it counts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.